Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel Toy Watch TV. So let's take a look with me all toy cars, muddy toy cars in the field. Right, come and follow me to look at the toy cars in the field. What we have in here, oh look at this, wow, look at this. This is like a toy person in here, look, this is toy person, it's all mud. And a car. This is a car, all muddy toy cars here. Wow, look at this, like a Spider-Man, toy Spider-Man, a muddy toy Spider-Man. They put in here, so find out some more toy cars, muddy toy cars. Wow, look at this. Found other toy cars in here too. This is look like a crocodile. Look at this. Crocodile. And here's the big truck. Not big truck. Okay, find out some more. Wow, we found another two toy cars in here too. Look at this. Wow. Oh, this is nearby the lemongrass. Here the blue car, four-wheel drive blue car, and this is another four-wheel drive also. So muddy toy cars. So we'll clean it up. Here, let's find out some more toy cars. Where are they? Toy cars here. Wow, found some toy cars here too. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is like a lizard, like a lizard, maybe a lizard or gecko. And this is like a excavator. All muddy toy cars. Okay. Find some more toy cars. Where are they? Oh, we found another one here. Look at this. Another one here too. Well, this is excavator. Muddy excavator. Muddy excavator. Okay, put in here. Found some more. Keep following me. Found some more toy cars. Okay. Here in the shadow. All lots of mango. Okay, found some more here. Okay. Here another one. Nearby the lemongrass. Here's the lemongrass. And toy car here. So it's in here. Look at this. So muddy. Okay, take a look at the other one. All toy cars in here. Well, look at this. The other one in here. All muddy toy cars. Right, let's go to wash. Here we're going to wash. Wash in here. Toy cars. Alright, we'll see what they look like. Okay, we wash first the excavator. There's the excavator here. Excavator is still muddy. Okay, and then here, like a big truck, vacuum car. There's also here, a vacuum car. Vacuum car. This is like a track carry the animals. Carry the animals. And another one here. That's all muddy toy cars. Okay. Now this is a police car. Police car here. Track. Wow. Track here. And another track. That's all muddy track. Oh, muddy track. Alright, this is a military car. This is a military car. And this is a lizard. Oh, lizard in here. Oh, muddy lizard. And another animal. This is a crocodile. Okay. And policeman, a military, a soldier, Spider-Man. Spider-Man broken. Spider-Man has broken leg. Okay. Okay, now we already had the toy cars clean. Now we clean all the muddy toy cars. Wow, look gorgeous.